Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing one of my favorite subscription boxes from the Heroes Tower. I will also be announcing the winner of last week's contest. So if all of those things interest you, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, we're going to be unboxing one of my favorite new subscription boxes called the Heroes Tower. I found this one on Cratejoy. I absolutely love it. There are tons of different options for this subscription box, so make sure you jump over to Cratejoy, check them out, see what they have to offer. This is a geeky subscription box service, so it's for those people that are like gamers or like geeky kind of things. That's pretty much all this is about. And also in today's video, I will be revealing the winner of last week's contest. I had a contest that I ran on Saturday of last week. I promised you I would announce the winner on this video today. We're going to do that towards the very end of the video. So without further ado, let's see what I got in my Heroes Tower mystery box of geeky goodies. Okay guys, so here's my box. I so can't wait to see what's inside, so let's open it up. Alrighty dighty, let's see. Ooh, we got a card in there. Hello, here we go. Awesome. So I support them on Patreon because they're trying to build their business here. So as they're building their business, they're just asking people to support them on Patreon, and I do that. So they send out thank you cards to thank people who support them financially to help build their business. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, awesome. It says, thank you. Super cute. Let's open it up. Amber, thank you so very much for supporting the Heroes Tower. I hope you enjoy the small gift and that you continue to support us. And by spreading the word, thank you, the Heroes Tower. So I have a little start game, 1-player, 2-player bookmark. Super cool. I will not use this as a bookmark. I will definitely use this in a DIY. So I will have DIYs and all this stuff coming up very soon. I know I keep promising you guys that, but it's really going to happen. Ooh, Captain America magnet. Yeah, buddy. Can you guys see it? Awesome. Yeah, Captain America magnet. So that's really awesome. My fridge is totally going to be geeked out because I got magnets in my last box. Maybe there'll be some in this one too. Let's open up the goodies. So this is what ooh, we got an item list. Yay. I really appreciate that. So this is what it looks like, and they have a nice explanation about their company and how you can support them on Patreon, and they're also on Instagram. So let's open this little box of goodies here. Love that there's an item list in there. That's really exciting. Okay, so they have this bubble wrapped really nice in here. Oh, well, that's a surprise. So, they have a coupon. So if you use the coupon Ambazars, it's right here. I'm going to hold this up for you guys. Use coupon Ambazars. You get 50% off your first box on a 3 or 6 month subscription. Wow. It excludes monthly and clearance boxes. That's an awesome deal, guys. I was not aware of this. He may have emailed me and I missed the email. So Chad, you are awesome. Hello. Guys, this is a great Christmas gift. If you have nieces or nephews that are into like gaming or the cartoony kind of things and all that kind of stuff, this is a great box, guys. I love this box. I support them 100%. As you see, I support them on Patreon. Guys, this is a great deal. So you should snatch this up. If you know somebody that would love to have this box, you could gift it to them as a 3 or 6 month subscription for 50% off. Hello! Do it now! That's an awesome deal. Wow, Chad, you're awesome. I didn't even know that was happening, so that's really exciting. Surprise. So I might have to put that on my Instagram as well, because I think there'll be quite a few people that might be interested in doing that, especially for the holiday season. Ooh, it says open last. Okay, wonder what's happening there. You got me all excited. Okay, ooh, this is so exciting. Okay, so we have an awesome little keychain here. So I am so glad there's an item list, guys, because I'll be honest with you, I don't know who this is. I'm not going to look at the spoiler one because that must be the secret that he has in there. So we're going to look at that last. Oh, I don't know who this is, guys. Here's the keychain. Let's hold it up so that you guys can see it. So cute and so awesome and so fun. I want to say it's like maybe, I don't know. I don't want to guess. It's Thundercats or Transformers. I'm really not sure. So let's take a look here. Black Panther. Darn it! This is Black Panther. How did I not know that, guys? Okay, so this is a Black Panther keychain. Thank you for including that item list, Chad. This is going to be so helpful for me and awesome. So look at this, Black Panther keychain. So awesome. All right. Oh, look at this. Yes! Oh, this is so awesome. I love this, love this, love this. So we have a Spider-Man patch. Yes! Okay, guys, I did a video a little while ago where I did Spider-Man inspired outfit, and I tried doing this pose and I didn't do it right, just saying. But if you guys get a chance, check out that video. I was just having some fun with some of my clothes, but this will be great for a DIY for sure. And I'm going to be using a lot of the stickers in an upcoming DIY, I hope in the next week or two, because I have a great idea for some stickers I got in my last box. So we have this awesome little patch for Spider-Man. Awesome. Great. Love it. Oh, I am so excited. So this is DC Supergirl's Hero Tags. Okay, we're going to open this up, guys. Here's what it looks like. Not really sure about this one. So we're going to take a quick open her up type thing and see what's going on in here. Supergirl tag. Oh, okay. Very nice. Let me open this up for you guys so you can get a better idea of what's happening here. So here's like a necklace thing, and honestly, I don't really do the Supergirl, but this is like, what is that glimmering thing called? I don't know, but there you go. And then it has DC Supergirls on the back. I definitely could use this in a fun DIY. My head is already spinning. So there's that in there. And then this one looks to be, I don't know, a puffy sticker? Now we're going to open it up because I am keeping these for myself. Yes, it's definitely a puffy sticker. Here we go. Let's get this up here so you guys can have a good look at it. Pretty awesome. Okay, this is great. And then this looks to be a tattoo. Yeah, so check this out, guys. Oh, this is an awesome tattoo. Look at that. Wow. I didn't actually look at it. That is really cool. So I use temporary tattoos on my clothes and on my shoes, and I have a little technique that I use to make it so that it's permanent and it doesn't ever go away. So you're definitely going to see this in an upcoming DIY where I use it on either my clothes or my shoes. I don't know which one yet. I'll have to take a look at my stuff and see what I want to do. But yeah, wow, this is really awesome. Okay, so that's the first little part. Let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, we got a Wonder Woman postcard. Okay, guys, so I gotta say, the idea for the postcards is to mail them out, but they're so awesome. Look at them. I almost want to frame them. Seriously, I really do. But because now I have a Superwoman, and in the last one I got a Spider-Man, a Superman, which I have not sent out yet. I'm going to go ahead and send this one and the Superman one out to my nieces and nephews. They will love it. It'll be so super fun for them to get some mail. So that's what I'm going to do with this. Thank you. This is an awesome thing. So now I have the woman and the man. The girls and the little boys will love it. It'll be so much fun. Okay, so they also do provide the stamp. I wanted to point that out for you guys. They provide the stamp in there for you to be able to mail your postcard. Very convenient. Loving that. Okay, woo! This is so awesome. Let's set everything off to the side here. And then we don't want to mess up our comic books. I did that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah! Oh, wow! This is so awesome. Okay, let me take this out of the package. I love this. What a great idea. Oh my gosh, I would have never thought to do this. So we have an Avengers Mouse Pad. Hello. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh, I love this. I mean, I absolutely love this. This is so great. So I'm definitely going to replace this with the current mouse pad that I'm using, which is just a company mouse pad. Not exciting at all. This is so super fun. I am definitely replacing my mouse pad as soon as this video is over. I'm super stoked. Oh, what a great thing. So I'm told to open that other thing last. So we'll go ahead and we'll do the comic books next. Next yes! So next we have Thor. Thor is my absolute favorite. I love Thor. And the actor that they picked to play him, I'm gonna say I'm loving him too. Who doesn't love him? Oh, talk about something. Okay, in my dreams. All right, here you go. This is awesome. So I got a Thor comic book. Yay! Ooh, and then we got a Spider-Man comic book. I'm also a huge fan of Spider-Man, but of course, Thor is my favorite, but I love Spider-Man too. So this is awesome. Love it, love it, love it. Ooh, ooh. Yes. Oh, the possibilities. Let me just take a quick. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, so this is a Transformer sticker book. Most people don't get as excited as I do about stickers, but I'm telling you guys, these things are awesome for DIYs. I am going to have to brainstorm, but I'm going to have a field day with what is in this little thing. So let me just open it up just so you guys, look, they have some of the puffy stickers in here. Look at how awesome this is. Oh my gosh, the possibilities, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna have some pretty awesome shoes coming up that are gonna be Transformers. I'm just gonna tell you that right now because I love, love, love the Transformers. So, these ones like glitter. Yes! This was like built for me. I'm just saying. Hello. And then these are like, what are those things called? Like hologram ones or whatever. I guess that's what, oh, these are awesome. Okay, these are going to make some really awesome, they're called foil stickers. Okay, and then this one here, it has it on here. These are glossy stickers. It says it if I would just read. Awesome. So that is so cool, guys. All right, I am really excited. Those are glitter stickers and puffy stickers. So I was right about the first two without looking at it, but you guys are definitely going to see these stickers in upcoming DIYs. I am so stoked. Yes, 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 yes. This is so great. Okay, so now we're going to move into the grand finale thing that I was told to open last. What's in here? What's in here? See, it says right here. Open it last. Okay, let's open this last. All right, so what do we have here? This is super exciting. What? I mean, what? Oh, the wallet you are holding is handcrafted and one of a kind. I've been making wallets for over 8 years. If you take care of it, the wallet will last you over a year. Avoid sitting on it, overstuffing it with gift cards, and dropping it in water. I hope you enjoy this wallet just as much as I did crafting it. Carry your geek Chad from the Hero's Tower. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me hold it this way. Wow. What great craftsmanship here. Okay, so guys, check this out. So this is duct taped on. Okay, look at this. All right, so this is like a masterpiece here. So it looks like he used a, what is the word I'm looking for? Comic book. Parts of a comic book. And he did like a duct tape wallet with it. And it looks like the outside of it here is vinyl. Oh, look at this. Wow, guys, this is like a little masterpiece. I don't know how much of you craft or appreciate crafting, but I am a crafter and I appreciate how much work went into this wallet. So thank you so much, Chad. This is so totally awesome. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so super awesome. You have no idea. Wow! This was a great box. I mean, this box just keeps getting better and better and better for me. So again, guys, make sure you check this box out. It's on Cratejoy, and I want to pull that out again because I was unaware of this. This was a pleasant surprise. So if you use coupon and bazaars, you'll get 50% off your first box. So your first box if you do a 3 or 6 month subscription. Guys, this makes a great gift for kids or anybody who's a geeky gamer. I mean, I'm not a kid. I'm 43 years old. So I love this box. So I'm just saying, anybody who's into the geeky kind of stuff, this is a great box for them. Make sure you use this code to get 50% off your first box if you commit to the 3 or 6 month subscription. And remember, Christmas is coming up, so this will make a great gift. Look at how awesome this box was. What? Oh, I can't thank you enough, Chad. This is such an awesome box. So super stoked. Okay, guys, so that wraps it up for my Heroes Tower mystery box for this month. So now we are going to jump into the details of the contest that I ran last week, as well as who won that contest. Okay, guys, so now we're going to jump into some more fun stuff and find out who won last week's giveaway. Before I do that, I want to make it very clear that YouTube is in no way involved with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I will be including items that I received in subscription boxes or items that I bought and decided to give away. So now that we have all that out of the way, let's do a quick review of the items that I included in this giveaway. So we have the Kenzie watch. It's a Kenzie brand watch, and these are rhinestone diamonds. diamonds. Not sure if I made that very clear in the last video. I think I might have just said diamonds, but I meant like rhinestone diamonds. They're fake. Hope you guys realize that. If I could afford to give away diamond watches, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be doing YouTube videos. Just saying. So they are fake rhinestone diamonds. The value of this watch is probably about $25. Just throwing that out there. So we have the watch. Still a cute little watch. Great little giveaway, I think. Anyway, and then we have the Tarte Skincare Drink of H2O Moisturizer. The value of this, I believe, is about $40. So this is in the giveaway. And then the awesome little earrings, which I love so much. Guys, I really love these earrings. They're little pearl earrings, handmade from Daxo Designs. I wasn't sure if I had them backwards or not. But if you guys have not checked out their Etsy shop, they have an Etsy shop, and that's where I bought these. Make sure you check them out, guys. They have so many great things going on there. She started doing the hammered copper bracelets. So cool, so awesome. I'm definitely going to be buying some of those. And who knows, maybe I'll have some in an upcoming giveaway. But these little earrings are going to go in this giveaway as well. As much as I like them, I'm going to give them to somebody else. Bummer. Okay, so there's that. And the last thing in this giveaway is this cute little Caboodles bag. I think it's like a makeup bag. It's a really big one, but yeah, it has the little Caboodles logo here on the little, yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that. But anyways, brand new, super nice bag. And that's the last thing that's included in this giveaway. So without further ado, why don't we see who won this thing? Yay, Lois! Woo! So Lois is new to my channel, and this is a great way for me to be able to thank her for subscribing to my channel and taking the time to watch my videos and comment. So I'm really excited for Lois. Lois actually has her own channel called Life with Lois. I recently subscribed to her channel as well. She has all kinds of fun things going on there. You guys just have to go check her out. She's really fun to watch, and I enjoy her videos very much, and I look forward to watching her channel grow. So make sure you check her out, Life with Lois. Lois, congratulations. I'm really excited for you. So in order for you to be able to get your little winnings here, why don't you go ahead and reach out to me at my email address, ameeks@ambazars.com, and we'll work out all the fine details to get you your winnings. How exciting! Yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have all kinds of fun videos coming up very soon. More giveaways next week for sure, because we're almost ending the month of October. I wanted to do more during this month, but unfortunately the month just got away from me. But no worries, guys. There'll be more giveaways in November and in December as well, so make sure you're subscribed and you've hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? I changed my intro and it's really messing with me. Let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazars DIY. My name is Amber Meeks. Oh my gosh, I am just seriously a deer in headlights. Okay, try one more time. What's up, gorgeous people? It's not the right thing to say. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, we are going to go over one of my favorite, not go over, that doesn't sound right. Nah, try it again. Is there a piece of hair like out of place? I mean, I'm sure there's many out of place, but there's like one that's really eating at me. There it is. Try again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, we are going to go over, why do I keep saying go over? It's unbox. It's an unboxing. Try it again. So that's what's going to be included in the giveaway. There is a full set of rules in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out. Try it again. Okay, guys, so it's time to jump into some more fun stuff and found out. Yeah, found out. And I found out, you found out, and we'll find out. Yeah, great. That's awesome.